Hello friends, welcome back to our new video which is printing and packaging cost estimation. So what new in this do? New is we improve our backend which is actually working as per your printing processes. Whatever specification of your machine is, it is working according. Suppose you have a machine like a 4 color unit and the print line like machine size is 14 inch and like as per your machine speed, machine specification, and the substrate which you are using, and the ink grammage or ink micron you are putting over there, it is calculating everything as per that standard, as per your manufacturing, as per your plant standard. So we can say so. Initially, you have to put the values of your machineries, what exactly the speed of your machine is for printing, but exactly the speed of your lamination machine is, but exactly the speed of punching machine, foiling, varnish, embossing, pasting, whatever operation you are processing to produce certain goods or certain spectrum of goods which you are producing or putting in your catalog. Okay, so this is everything is there is nothing which is standardized. We are not taking any printing running rate as a standard method. Things will be populate as per your planning, as per your consumption, as per the material you choose. And the best part, all you have to do is like you have to do few clicks and few inputs. That's all you have to do. You don't have to put, or you don't need to be have very skillful or knowledgeable person of industry. What you have to do is like you have basic specification. You should have basic specification of your product which you want to calculate or estimate about it. Okay, suppose here I am taking 8 by 9 inch of planning, and the job substrate grammage which I am taking here is 320 gram, and the number of colors which we are going to print on that good or packaging, it's 5. And run length I'm taking here is 80,000. Here you have to select operation by putting y over there. Okay, so suppose here we are taking lamination. Okay, so just put y here, and we are not taking many operation, only lamination here. And this is the purchase cost and the technical specification which we are going to use. We are using 8 micron of PVC. If you want to put 10 micron of PVC, you can take PVC rate here, or if you want to put BOPP, you can take BOPP rate. Suppose it's 210. Okay, 10 micron 210. Price will work out accordingly. Okay, after putting this, like after completing this section, you have to select the planning here as per your machine size. Okay, while considering this factor, the paper should be utilized optimally. We cannot say maximally, optimally, where considering this factor the wastage should be minimum. Okay, while also like keeping this in mind that we need maximum number of ups. Okay, because ultimately a single sheet going to be cost you, if you put 12 ups on that, it will like cheaper option for you. If you put 4 option on or ups on that, it will like very costly for the client whom you are going to be you can say quote the price. Okay, so you have to be best in your planning. So on this job size, we are considering 28 into 40 inch 12 up size. Okay, and the wastage which we are taking 50 sheet on each operation, major operation. So by that I'm taking here 4% wastage, which is 267 wastage sheets of wastage here. And we have 160 ton. So we will take a special planning also, but after considering this example only. And as you can see, the every operation it is taking the cost automatically, which you fed in the system previously on the very setup of this sheet, or I'll assist you as per your machinery. Okay, so here we are taking 188 color for this much of size, single color for 1000 sheets of this much of print length. Okay, and the printing cost, total cost is here, and the plate cost we are taking here this much, and the paper cost is we are taking 81 rupees per kg. And as per this paper rate, the total paper cost is coming here this much, and the lamination is 2.11 rupees per sheet. By that, total number of sheet is here. And the punching cost, which is a very standard because it is ultimately the only machine consumption and the labor consumption, so it is very standard. It is not relevant to the quantity. If the quantity goes up, it will goes low. It is not like that. It is a very standard cost. Okay, so we selected only lamination option, so ultimately our production cost will which is showing here is 2.06. But here you can see there is 23% wastage of the paper. Ideally, the minimum wastage you can reduce up to is 10%. You cannot go beyond 10% because there is some margin which is required to keep for machinery or for some extra operations for quality purpose and testing purpose. Okay, so there is 23% wastage which is coming here. So what we can do here, suppose we put this size here, and we'll look out here this size. It is showing here 28 into 14 is 12 up. So can we go little low here? It is showing yes, we can go. Can we go little more? Okay, so we are taking 37 and see how much it is showing. It is showing still 37%. Let's go a little more. So it's showing 12 ups, and how much it is 14%. Let's go 34 directly. It is showing 9%. Okay, so we can take this special size and compare with the standard sheet size. Okay, this is a special size. Okay, special SS. I'm putting SS as for the acronym of special size. Okay, here, and let's take example 2040. This is the paper cost for standard size. I'm putting standard size as in SS. Okay, special size and SS. So see the difference with the paper. Okay, and what cost you can reduce after putting the special size into consideration. Suppose here lamination is showing 2.11. If we go to 334, it is showing 1.80 rupees. And the total, let's see, compare the total. This is special size. This is 40. Okay, I'm not sure which one I have taken. Try adding the markup one. Okay, let's take this one without markup. And 34. Okay, now I'm putting here 40 here. See the cost difference. So what advantage this shit giving you? The advantage of instant variation while changing the planning. The advantage of cost I didn't show you up the printing cost variation when we change the planning. See, after changing the planning, even printing rate will fluctuate. It is as per your machinery. Okay, how much hour it's going to run as per your machine speed, how much ink it's going to be consumed. So ideally, the ink consumption of offset is depend on the stock or the substrate. What exactly the porosity of the substrate is. So it will consume the ink as per the porosity or porous nature of the substrate. Okay. So if the higher the porosity, the higher the ink micron or ink thickness they will be consumed on the substrate. And ideally after taking observation of on different substrate, the ideal range of ink micron or ink thickness is between 1.5 to 2 micron. So here we are taking up the higher side, 2 micron. So while considering 2 micron thickness, this much of ink going to be consumed while considering two more factor. One is what labor cost or labor is going to be indulged, and how much hours machine is going to be run to produce this much length of the quantity or job. Okay, so if you like the video and if you feel that this sheet is going to be make your task very easier and make you more competitive in the market, Please let me know. And I'll let me show you the back end. That's how the back end is going to be look like. It will also show you the how much lamination is going to be consumed and the printing. Suppose if there is a price fluctuation, either in ink cost. Suppose here I'm taking 500 cost. Let's take 600. Ink goes little higher. Okay, it will change the price. Earlier it was showing 188. Now it's 199, 191. Okay, so everything is depend on a purchase, and there is nothing you are taking up here as in standard cost. Okay, suppose here lamination is 210. We have taken, I guess, I believe we have taken the example of BOPP. And suppose if a client wants to reduce the cost, here you can see the total manufacturing unit cost. Unit cost of manufacturing unit cost is showing 1.79, and client wants to go a little cheaper. You have two ways: either you reduce some your markup, or reduce the cost from your markup, or you can do like you can reduce the production cost or the material cost. So what we can do here, we can take 10 micron PVC 190. We can show the example also, but still if the client want 210 like BOPP itself, you can go for 9. You can go the lower micron option. What I am trying to say here is you can go for lower micron option. See the difference: 1.62, 1.80. Okay, and if you can also put the variations like PVC, BOPP, MacPad, you can put the variations here. If suppose like client wants varnish instead of like lamination, you can just directly select Y here and varnish. It will show the direct varnish cost 1.70. If client don't want varnish, they want aqueous varnish, you can you can directly put here 250 rupees per kg varnish cost, 1.80 micron thickness, and it will show you the cost 1.67. So that's how this sheet is going to be work. And if there is anyone who really like this video and the content and the work which we are doing, and whatever we are serving to you, please do share, subscribe among the printing professionals so that they can also take the benefit of this thing. Okay, if someone wants to learn this thing, I can teach that also. If someone wants to buy this thing, please reach out to me. I'll put my number in description column or in the title of this video also. Please feel free to reach out. Okay, thank you so much.